All right, well, another gloomy and dreary afternoon for us here on Tuesday. It looks like as we go into Wednesday, not much really changes for us, but there are going to be some glimmer of hope or some rays of hope for us as we go into the late evening hours, as we'll start to see just a few rays of sunshine on the way for us and also the rain beginning to taper off. But let's go ahead and first take a look at what happened back on yesterday when things really started to cool down for us on Monday. Only a high of 59 degrees with a low of 51. You can see both of those numbers off of our averages. Our high well off where we should be during this time of the year, which is at 74 degrees. And sunrise now at 7 a.m. with sunset at 8:45 p.m. So those numbers getting closer and closer as we get closer to, well, it looks like fall coming up here in about a month or so for us. But as we take a look at highs, well, here are your highs for today. 56 in Marquette, 59 in Munising, 60s as you go a little farther south in Escanaba and in Iron Mountain, middle 50s in Hona at 55 and at 59 degrees over in Ontonagon. And our current winds, they're still kind of breezy out there from the westerly direction generally at 12 into Iron Mountain, 14 out of the southwest in Houghton, while at 12 over in Escanaba, and right now at 23 miles per hour in Ironwood. We are expecting them to die down just a bit for us, but they'll still be anywhere between 10 to 15 throughout the overnight, and probably seeing more of that northwesterly direction as we head into the evening, and seeing it once again as we head into our Wednesday afternoon. But here a look at your headlines. Light showers continue for us throughout the evening. We'll continue to see on and off light showers, not only for tonight, but even as we go into tomorrow afternoon. But it does begin to taper off. We'll see that wind down, and then as we go into tomorrow night, maybe just a few sprinkles and mostly cloudy conditions. But some sunshine, it will be arriving for us as we get into our Thursday, because we're going to notice that high pressure tries to find its way back into the area and tries to fight away all the clouds. We're not going to be completely clear, but we are going to see more of that sunshine as we head into Thursday. But it looks like later on might be seeing a lot more rain for us in store, or might be seeing a lot more rain as we get closer to Friday and Saturday. But here's a look at our setup right now. This area of low pressure will lift off towards the north and to the east, still bringing us those winds and also those rain showers wrapped around on the backside of it that we have seen over the past 2 days, and that cool air has been across the Great Lakes as well for us. But as we go later into the week, we're going to expect this jet stream to begin to buckle up a bit for us. We'll notice that this next system will ride along the jet stream, and it will work its way into the region. That's what it's looking like right now, and that is what's going to provide us that next chance of rain as we get into Friday, hang on, into Saturday. But here's a look at your futurecast model, noticing that this area of low pressure continues to swirl. This is what we have been noticing as of recently, bringing us chance after chance of rain, and it won't be that much different as we head into tomorrow. Just beginning to see it die down a bit for us, and then by tomorrow night, you'll notice that chances will decrease for us, and we'll start to see those clouds start to make their way out of here as well. Tonight, 48 degrees for your overnight low, cool with showers continuing for us, winds out of the northwest around 10 to 15 miles per hour. Heading into Wednesday, clouds, rain, and wind are going to be in the forecast. Winds out of the northwest at 10 to 20, so pretty much similar to what we're going to expect tonight. Highs in the upper 50s and lows at 57 degrees as you go a little farther south at 58 down into Crystal Falls, 60 in Escanaba, 60s also in Manistee at 62 in Munising. Here's a look at your day planner, starting off at 50 tomorrow morning. We'll top off in the upper 50s here in Marquette at 59 degrees with showers, and then by tomorrow night, showers beginning to decrease for us, also seeing a few more of those clearer skies on the way, or at least some partial clearing as we get into tomorrow night, and seeing more of that sun as we head into Thursday afternoon with a high of 62 degrees. Friday, rain comes back in, and with highs in the upper 60s and lower 70s across the region. We'll be in the lower 70s as we head into Saturday here in Marquette at 72 degrees. Lows right around those low to mid 50s, and that looks to be the norm for us as we go throughout this next 7-day period. But after Saturday, we do dry out. Sunday, it looks to be partly cloudy for us with highs in the middle 70s, and then cooling back off into the lower 70s and the upper 60s by the beginning of next work week, with lows in the low to mid 50s.